Meanwhile, the 2 parachute battalions which recently flew from England are settling in on the island. Weapon training is a priority. Here's Private Parker of Hounslow. Private Brown of Alva Stirling is busy with a Bren gun. Quick on the draw, that's the watchword, and Sergeant Legg of Aldershot puts his pistol class through their paces. But there's one aspect of army life that needs no extra training or special equipment, just your irons and a mess tin. Today they're eating al fresco. Hope it doesn't taste too bad. Ask Corporal McGinn of Jedburgh or Lance Corporal Holt of Great Harwood. It's been said that the British Tommy has 3 basic needs. Shops in Nicosia cater for 2 of them, fish and chips. Now a more serious note, a special emergency session at the closely guarded courthouse in Nicosia.